Mm-hmm.
Now winter collection is good. You understand? And
Yeah.
first we run your winter collection, jacket and helmet and everything for winter. Okay. First we start ads this product, and then we need lot of visitor. You need visitor because your store don't know everyone. Your store don't know everyone. That's why didn't buy your product. Okay.
So the problem is the winter is gone now. Okay, people they're gonna buy for me outside of US, but in US, in Canada, they can't buy winter things when the winter is gone. They will wait to buy for me in September and in November, around December. Is when they're gonna buy. Okay, October, November is when they buy winter things.
Yeah.
But few and they put new things for summer because now people they're interested in summer things.
Yeah. Brother, I'm sorry. My network is very problem.
Okay.
Why I don't know. I will create a invoice later. And Mr. Jeff,
Okay.
when meeting with me
I'm gonna ask him tonight. I will tell you
tonight.
tomorrow morning.
To
Night today night they're gonna send you a message. If he said yes, he's gonna give us time.
Okay.
Can you make it like tomorrow, like this time?
Okay, tomorrow this time.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try because
Yeah, I do my
I
best.
don't have I don't have time for meeting because I'm lot of busy because Bangladesh, Ramadan Mas. Ramadan.
Mm,
Ramadan? What is
I
Ramadan?
know. I know.
Okay. That's why we are busy. But I will try. I again meet tomorrow and discuss your
Okay.
access life care. And now you have
Yes.
any question, Gulmart?
Yeah, government you have to arrange product nicely and make a few product, okay? And you
Okay.
select those high traffic, high moving product,
Yes,
okay?
high traffic,
Fast
high moving
moving.
product. Okay, phase up, phase mart.
Yes,
Okay,
select
I will
those
see.
ones. Yeah, especially clothes, shoes, electronics.
Yeah,
They're more
yeah, yeah,
important.
yeah.
Yeah. Those are fast moving.
I think we already upload lot product. Okay, let me check which product we have right now.
And you check if you see our
Okay.
our web email is nice, is
Well,
done.
we have already lot of collection and
You
lot
have
of
to organize, you have to reduce them, organize them in category.
pen
That's
drive,
it. Then we
laptop,
start.
SSD,
Yeah.
mouse,
Hmm.
keyboard, headphone, memory card, best selling product, new product, electronics, watch, best light, female, human jewelry, human sex night dress, jacket, African, enamel, okay, men suite,
I want to add the category of books.
books, you need more category, books.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Category of books and the audio books
okay,
because that's money.
okay, I will
Yeah,
upload
books.
books and men
Yeah,
suite, men sweaters and blazer. Okay, men shoes,
that's okay.
human shoes,
That's
men,
that's okay.
human. Okay, we have
Yeah.
already lot of product, and now I think we start uh, human or men. And what do you mean? Human
Yeah,
sexy dress, night dress.
women they buy quickly. Yeah, those sex things you keep them because they move. They're gonna make money. Yeah, those are good. Those are good
Yeah,
because
yeah,
those
yeah,
they
yeah.
you sell anytime. They don't have a season.
Yes, then
Everyone buys it.
then we select human sexy night dress, and then
That's good.
men shoes, human shoes.
That's, yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Okay, men shoes, human shoes. We like right now. Men shoes, human shoes, and all product. We start first clothing and jacket. I think
Hmm.
jacket also good because right now
Yeah, they are good. They are good. Yeah, they are good.
winter. Okay,
Yeah, any season.
okay. Then uh, we start men
And the
shoes, human
pajama, and the
shoes.
pajama. You see pajama of people in the hospital, in the home, family pajama was good, good man as well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And the medical
Okay,
uniform, those we call scrubs.
medical
Those
uniform.
pro- Yeah, those who doctors put nurses.
Medical uniform already have your access life care because it is a medical product. All product
No, you
medical types.
no, you put even you on put also on Gormat, no problem.
Oh, okay.
There's
Yeah.
no problem.
We put also Gulmat. Okay, okay,
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
okay, okay. No problem.
Remember, I am able to talk about them to market them because I'm a
And
medical person.
okay, okay, okay. I understand. And already you have medical type products. Your access life care, and you besides you upload your face the crazy marks. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I understand now. Okay, I will upload it. Let me try. And we create another collection books, right?
Mm-hmm.
BWKS, right? Or not right?
Books keeping, uh, books and the video, books and the video, movies,
Send me my
books, video.
type me.
I'm gonna type it. It's video, VIDEO.
BI
You know, you know, films. You see, when you watch a film, watch a movie.
book view.
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, I understand.
Yeah.
Book view.
So because those they have money. People they buy books. People they buy movies. You know.
Okay, by movie books.
Yeah, movie books.
Oh, okay, okay.
Movie. Oh, no, movie and the books
Oh,
different.
movie and books. Okay, okay.
Yeah, they are different. They are yeah, movie, books,
Movie.
and the audio books. Audio books are different. They're fast selling good money. Audio books.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Movie and books.
audio,
Movie
or
and books
audio books.
views.
Yeah,
Okay. I
that's okay.
I create it.
I was gonna send you an email and show you the picture of them, okay?
Okay, okay, okay.
And the link, so you can have an idea.
Okay, understand.
Good.
And just we waiting for now Mr. Zepp, and Mr. Zepp when finish meeting and we close your access life care. Okay, I deliver you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Access Life Care has to start because
and
it is already
you don't buy
it
it
has
access life care
it has
domain.
it has everything.
You
You
see,
have
can you see
mm,
how much your access life care domain from namesake?
okay.
Let me say how much your access life care domain.
Mm-hmm.
Access, I think my typing is wrong.
Mm-hmm. No, it's the S, not the C. It's the access, not the access.
Yes, sorry. Access
Double S, yeah. Mm-hmm.
life care.
Space between access and life. Space.
Access life care.
Yeah.
Okay. And domain don't have a space. Wow. Add to cart. Access life care dot care is good.
Uh-huh.
Only $11. $12. Access life care dot care. I think care is good. Medical product is care. Okay. And
In
access.
that, if it is like that, you're gonna say access life care at. No, let's access life care net. That's the best one. That's the net one. You see now,
Access
number
life care
3.
dot net.
Yes, that's the good one. Go
Dot
down and see.
net. Okay, let me say access life
Can you
care
go down?
dot net. Okay,
Yes,
available
that's the best.
only $13, 12.98. And
Can you go down?
and
Can you
every
go down and see? Expensive one.
okay, expensive, very good.
Go down.
Okay, game me dot oe dot io dot design dot xyz dot pro dot life dot info dot co dot today dot shop dot tech
Don't laugh.
dot love. Yeah, lot, yes.
That one access life care dot
Dot yk dot love dot
access
love
life
dot
care. No,
love.
look, access life care online. That's the best one. Can you see down there? No, keep going down,
Access live,
down.
yes, access live dot online. It's very
Yeah.
cheap, very cheap.
Very cheap, yeah, and very good, very look. They look nice. Let's see.
accesslifecare.online. Okay.
You can go down, go up, go up. There's also access healthcare dot dot live. You see top. Go up. Leave, yeah, there.
Live.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's the one. That's the good one.
Yes, accesslifecare.live.
Yes.
Live or live? Oh, it is live.
That's live.
Yes, it's live. Okay.
We can even pay. Can we pay two?
Sorry.
Can we pay two different? Can you pay live? Can you pay another one? You know?
Okay.
Can you make access healthcare dot love?
Dot love.
Yeah. And dot tech. Can you also access healthcare dot tech?
Tech.
That's good one. Yeah, that's a good one.
The tech.
Yeah, you see the expensive. Is the more expensive is that one?
I think
Yeah.
access
You can-
life care.
That's per month or per year? That's per year.
Care is good, but $11. Dot care
Yeah.
because medical product is care related. You understand?
The problem is you repeat again care and care twice. That way we say access life dot care.
Also net
Okay.
good.
Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, net is okay.
Okay.
That's the best
You
one.
buy accesslifecare.net. Okay.
Yes.
It is good.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna discuss tomorrow with Mr. Zef. We're gonna choose.
Okay.
We'll choose.
You invite Mr.
The
Z.
boss.
Okay. We meeting.
Yeah, is the-
another meeting. Attend meeting
is-
tomorrow.
Yeah, it's the boss. Yeah, it's the boss.
Okay, I didn't see you because okay, now I see you. And your weather is very crazy. I see.
It's crazy,
I
yeah.
see for your window.
Yeah. You can see how it is. The car, you can't see my car now.
Yeah. Lot of crazy, very crazy.
Yeah.
Brother, I very English, my very weak. How can I I learn good English?
Yeah, there is a web to teach English. I'm gonna show you the webs.
You don't teach me why?
No, I'm gonna show you how to learn it. I have a audio books.
And
I will
also-
have audio books,
Yes.
and the web to teach you.
Yes, and also your English is very hard. I don't understand everything.
Yeah. Oh, okay. My English is poor. There are people who speak English here, my friend.
Yeah. When you
Yeah.
talk with me, then you tell me very clear and slow, okay? Because I don't
Yeah.
understand everything. That's why I
Yeah, yeah.
text you every time.
Yeah, that's okay. That's fine.
Oh yes.
Thank you very much. Tomorrow we're gonna have a meeting. Then we organize in order to pay you. We talk with Zef tomorrow, okay?
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, and you get ready to give us the receipt because we need the receipt for our accounting and
Okay,
tax,
tomorrow
okay?
this time is fixed.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Then hello মামুন ভাই আসসালামু আলাইকুম
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম।
ভাই দেখেন মজা নিতেছে হৃদয় ভাই আর ইমরান ভাই
না ঠিক আছে, অনেকদিন পর কথা হচ্ছে তো এই কারণে ইমরান ভাই হৃদয় ভাইকে বললাম যে কি হলো, তাদের কি অবস্থা।
আচ্ছা,
বলতেছে
দেখেন।
মিটে আছে, এই কারণে বললাম যে দেখি মিটে কি করতেছে।
yeah sorry Mr. Jack brother then now we finish our meeting. Hello.
Yeah.
Mr.
Yeah.
Then
It's okay.
we attend again tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for your time. And
No, thank
I
you too.
understand
Thank
everything.
you.
And I think you when you start Gulmarg, I forget next month or this month.
Yeah, next month we have to finish this coming. We have to finish everything.
Okay, I will finish everything this month. Okay,
Yeah. This month we have to.
I will also
Yep.
add your books and movies. Okay,
Yeah.
movie
The
books.
movies.
And then
Yep.
we start first clothings.
Yeah.
Human shoes, men shoes, and human sexy dress. Okay, like this product. We first
There
start.
are some product. There are some product you have in in the Access Life Care, we're gonna bring them in Gormat.
You need more
I will
product.
show you. Yeah, there's some product you put in the Access Life Care which can fit in Gormat first.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay,
Yeah.
I will try.
And also you have to create the email on Shopify of Gormat, not of Hormod. Okay? You
Okay,
have to ask them to change.
okay, okay, okay. I will see.
Yeah, and they put everything and they put our logo and they organize nicely, ready to go.
Okay, brother. Now I have clock 1 a.m. Now I am going to
Oh,
sleep.
sorry, sorry. Sorry,
Okay.
me too have to go to work. Now it's late, okay?
Yeah, already I have late, but not late. Now I finish my work and I will go to sleep. Okay.
Yeah,
Then
please
see you
sleep
tomorrow
nice.
again.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. Have a nice day.
You too.
Okay. Good. Good night. Baslam.